What up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about 10 things that you should not be doing while you're at a job site, whether it's an install job or just a service call. So let's get started. Some of these things are it might seem obvious, but I've seen it with my own eyes, so that's why I think I should bring it up. So number one is don't drink or smoke while you're doing a service call. It's just not professional, it smells, and the customer might just not like it. So keep that to a minimum at least for all you smokers out there, or if you can, just wait until your shift is over. That way you can smoke as much as you want, and yeah, it just doesn't hurt your reputation, and that way the customer will be happy that their place doesn't smell like smoke. Second is don't wear any kind of inappropriate clothing. I've seen this with my own eyes many times that there's technicians out on the field, they're wearing flip-flops or other kind of inappropriate clothing. It's just not professional. Some are actually pretty rude, and the customer might not appreciate that. Number three is do not be on your phone. This is a big one nowadays. There's so many apps out there that some you might need to be on your phone, but just only use your phone if you actually need to. I'm sometimes guilty myself being on my phone, but I try to keep that to a minimum while I'm doing a service call. Number four, this one too, is I used to be doing this a lot, but not anymore, is listening to music while I'm doing a service call. Now, for the most part, you can probably get away with it depending on the type of services you do. Like, if you're in a restaurant on the line doing a service call in which there's people around you, don't listen to music. It's just rude, and the customer won't appreciate it. Now, if you are on a roof and you're all by yourself and no one's around you, yeah, feel free. Listen to as much music as you want. Just when there's people around you, try not to listen to music. Just simply rude. Next one is, I've seen this, that's why I'm bringing this up. Do not hit on your customers. And yes, I've seen this, and I've actually got some customers that were fed up with previous companies, and they would just say that the staff, that they would not appreciate the technician coming in and just hitting on them. Like, I'm in a restaurant business, and like in this industry, there's a lot of attractive girls out there, and well, for all you female techs, there's attractive guys too, but yeah, just don't hit on anyone, and especially the staff. It's just not appreciated, and yeah, it's just not professional. Next is this one too. This one's hilarious. I've seen this too myself, again and again. Do not touch product of your customers, and more so, do not eat the customer's product. We're always around food. It may seem attractive, but just don't do that. It's just rude, and the last thing you want is the customer to see you eating their food and you getting in shit. So don't do that. Big no-no. Next is this one. It was a bit of an iffy one, but depending on your customer, try not to ask for help from your customer. It depends like what kind of work it is, but try not to ask your customer for any kind of help or assistance. For example, like holding a ladder or just asking for tools. I mean, if you really need help, just bring an extra hand with you from the beginning. It's just much more professional. Another one is this one my dad used to do a lot, is try not to enter through the back door unless the customer asks you to. Usually I like to go through the front. It's just more professional. It's more etiquette. And yeah, just enter through the front, not through the back. Sometimes, unless the customer obviously says it's okay to enter through the back. I just find that sometimes when I enter through the back, people just get surprised that they see some guy there and they were unaware of that person coming. So just go through the front and just simply ask ask them why you're there and what you're there to fix. And next on the list is, let me see what I've missed. Yeah, here's another one. Do not leave a mess after you're done your job. I mean, it is not the customer's job to look after you. I mean, if you create a mess, clean it up once you're done. It's just, the customer will appreciate it. It's just more professional, and you want to leave on a good note. So, yeah, just clean up your mess. Take 5 minutes of your service call time. Clean your shit up, and then just leave. That's it. And lastly, this one's a weird one, but I just want to bring it up, is do not try to play a hero. If you're there to fix something, just fix that one thing and try not to fix anything else, even though if you see there might be a problem with it. Now, it's good to point it out to the customer, but don't go ahead and just fix it right away, just because you never know what's going wrong or what's up with that unit, and maybe they don't want to fix it. But yeah, you're more than welcome to ask notify the customer that it is not working, or you think it's not working, and maybe they can tell you what's the story behind it. Maybe, yeah, just like that. Just don't go ahead and just fix something that you're not supposed to, or you weren't called in to fix. There you guys go. Those are the 10 things that I strongly recommend you guys don't do while you're out on a service call or you're at a job site. It's just unprofessional. No one wants to witness that kind of stuff. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And if you loved it, please smash that subscribe button. And I will see you guys next time.